Hello guys, today I'm gonna try to break into these Blk Pods. Now I don't really use these. So and I know they're gonna be pretty hard to get into. But this is what they are, Blk Pods. It's just these knockoff AirPods. We're gonna see if we can open it. Okay? No, I can go pretty far in. Obviously, since it's curved, I can't go around. And I can't go in here, which means it's probably attached here. We're just gonna see how all this goes. Alright, I got this off. What is this now? This is just a little show, I believe. It's nothing, it's just plastic. And then that's it right there. That's part of the thing. That's crazy. How did they even fit it in here? How? No, I don't recommend this because this is pretty dangerous. This is it. That's in here, and I believe this is a magnet. No, I'm not gonna break it even more just because I still want this to be somewhat operational. This is gonna be the harder one. Oops. Because I don't really know what I'm doing. I mean, there has to be a little way. There we go. Look at this. That's crazy. This is it. This is what's inside. Damn, this is cheap. Whoa, what is this? These are magnets, and this is wire. What the? This wireless charge? I didn't even know this thing had wireless charging. No, it is on. Wow, I didn't even know it had wireless charging. That is crazy. I only had this for 60 bucks, but they're pretty like bad. Like they're like inconsistent. They stop by themselves. The touch function doesn't work. The sound quality isn't the best, but they're pretty good. And they were pretty good at first, but then they stopped working like Bluetooth wise. But yeah, that was it. It's kind of crazy. There's just glue right here. It's kind of. I really do like the wireless charging. I didn't even know I had that. Look at this too. Thank you guys for watching.